Hey y'all, we are back again with another quick makeup tutorial in which I didn't film an intro for, so yep, my brain was all over the place these past few days. But anyways, you guys, we are going to go ahead and jump right on in. I am using the original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, one of my absolute faves, and we are going to start with this like neutral brown shade right here, and we are going to start popping this all over our crease. And I'm just going to put this all the way from inner to outer corner, and I'm actually also going to start buffing this on the outer portion of my lid just to go ahead and map out my shape, since this look is going to be pretty monochromatic, as you will see. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous red orange shade, so beautiful, and on a like Morphe M433, I am going to start putting this on the outer corner and then all the way into my inner corner. This particular shade is going to be the star of my show anyways, and so I'm going to really work this all over the place. I just slap it all over the lid. Make sure you really focus on blending this up and out. I will blend this shade pretty high, which is why I was so lenient with the first transition shade. As you can see, like I'm pretty much covering the first transition shade at this point, but you know, you do what makes you comfortable. And I'm going to just build this color up until I'm satisfied with its pigment, and then I'll just go back in with a little bit more of that original transition shade just to blend out all the edges. Next, I'm going to take this deeper red-brown color, and I'm going to use a Morphe M506, and I'm going to start putting this on the outer corner, quite a bit lower in my crease, but I'm also going to pull this in about a third of a way into my crease, as you can see, not all the way into my inner corner, but just enough to really add quite a bit of dimension to this look. I tend to do this technique when I'm doing more monochromatic looks like the one that you're seeing today. If you don't like that, you can definitely keep this color more on the outer portion of the eye, but it's just something I like to do. And then I will go back in with the reddish orange shade that we use and just kind of blend it out. And then one of my other favorite techniques to use that you can see me doing right here is once I have no product on the brush, I will actually just blend that shade up and out, up into my upper crease, out towards my outer edge, and to me it really helps lift the eye and make the shades blend together very, very seamlessly, and it doesn't look too out of place or too crazy. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that second shade we used, so the more bright red orange looking shade, and I'm just going to dust this all along my lower lash line from inner to outer corner. And then once I have that laid down how I like, I'm going to dip into that deeper red brown shade and just connect that from my very outer corner to about halfway onto my lower lash line, just for added depth and dimension. Your girl is going to go ahead and pop on a coat of mascara, and now you can totally just do mascara. I think this is a perfect look if you're someone who's not comfortable with falsies or you just don't want to wear any that day, to just wear mascara with this look because it looks so stinking pretty. But you know your girl, and your girl wears her lashes. So we're going to go ahead and pop on a pair real quick. Moving on to the face, I'm going to go ahead and contour a little bit using my Benefit Hoola bronzer as always. And you guys already know that every product that I have used on my entire face is going to be listed down in the description bar, so check there if you are curious. And I'm going to go in with this pretty Vulgar bronzer to bronze up the rest of my skin. And I'm going to go pretty bronzer heavy today. Yeah, I don't know why, but I was really feeling like I just needed some extra color on my cheeks. And then for blush, I'm using this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio, mixing the pink and purple one together, and I am packing the blush on today. You guys know I'm a blush hoe, and she is just coming out in full force today, as you can see. For highlight, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlight. Such a beautiful highlight, you guys. It's so stinking blinding, but somehow still manages to look natural if you play your cards just right. And so I'm going to pop this everywhere: the cheeks, above the brows, on the nose, Cupid's bow, and then I'm even going to go ahead and just do my inner corner and brow bone with it as well, because I was just really feeling it today. Last but not least, for lips, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick in the shade Single. How ironic is that? And top her off with a gloss bomb, which one I cannot remember, but it'll be down below. And there you have it, you guys. This is my completed look. It's so, so beautiful, you guys. I just cannot get enough of the original Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys. The proof is in the freaking blend. These shadows are out of this world incredible. So I really hope that you love this look. Let me know if you try it out for yourself. Leave me your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Also, I don't know why I'm like this, but anyways, bye!